Hey everybody, it's Rob with Backyard Barbecue. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm going to tell you about my 5 top things that I do like about this Masterbuilt Electric Smoker. So number 1, first and foremost, the price. When we look at smokers in electric, this is bare bottoms, one of the easiest ways to go. You're looking between maybe $125 to $200 depending on where you get it. And to get into a new hobby, that's a great price. So number 2, we have ease of use. One of the big things with this, plug and play. If you can operate a 3-prong electric cord, this is yours. One of the nice things about it is just to be able to plug it in and literally set it and forget it. You can walk away, although it still says monitor, and you should too. But you don't have to check back every 15-30 minutes to check on a fire if you have an offset, or to check on your charcoal to make sure you haven't run out. So ease of use is definitely a strong point. Number 3, all you need is wood chips. Inside there's a nice tray. All you have to do is load up some chips, and it'll help you get that nice smoky flavor. So you don't have to worry about getting logs, carrying around big bags of charcoal to get things going. Simply go to Meijer, Amazon, Kroger, and you can get chips for this. So huge perk. Number 4 is going to be, especially for those that have apartments or that travel or move things around, it's a really low profile and super portable. You don't have to haul a grill around. It's actually pretty light. I'd say maybe 35-40 pounds max. And it doesn't take up much room. So if you're in an apartment, you might be able to fit it in a closet, or if you want to store it in your garage or on your deck, it doesn't take up much room. So it's super nice perk. And the last thing that I do like about this is for lower and slower cooks. So if you're looking to make beef jerky, summer sausage, you want to get some smoke on some cheese, this can be a great unit. Whereas if you use an offset smoker, to keep those lower temps, it'll be super hard to maintain a fire, and even propane will probably be too hot, or be way too hot without melting the cheese or messing it up. So I hope you like it. Any questions, let me know. Lastly, I will be uploading a video shortly, say by the end of the week, with 5 things I don't like about the electric smoker. So if you're interested, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on that one. Thanks. Have a good one.